welcome to this video. Today we will learn about the basic math we need to get started with programming, and also the basic arithmetic you will need to start writing your own code. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we have on the screen the addition operator, we have the subtraction operator, the multiplication, the division. You might not be familiar with the floor division and the modulo operator, but most of them you have basically familiar with most of them. So that's the trick. So for the for the addition operator, so it is quite easy, right? If we say 5 plus like 6, and then it will return like the result. You see, it returns like 11. Okay, so in that case, you understand like there's nothing to explain about the plus sign. Okay, the like the addition. Okay, let's take the subtraction. It is almost the same. If we say like 7 minus 5, okay, and then it should return like 2. Okay, so in that case, that is quite easy. And then let's take another example. Let's take like the multiplication. Let's say 4 multiplied by 3. Like anybody will find this result. Okay, basically you have been familiar with these already. Okay, like it is like 12. Okay, that is expected. You will know that. Okay, so now let's come right here. The division, this one performs in like in programming. This one will perform like a regular division and returns a decimal number. Let's say if we print like 6 modulo like 4, okay, it will return a decimal number. Okay, you see it. I'm sorry, I say multiply. Okay, this one was not good. If I say 6 divided by 4, it should return 1.5. This is a decimal number, okay? So this is what it does. Okay, now let's move on to the floor division. The floor division is something you might not be familiar with, but what it does, it, it is also a divided operator, okay, and then it divides two numbers and keeps only the whole number part. Okay, it removes the decimal part. Let's say if we say uh if we the same 6, and then we say floor division 4, it will give us 1. It should not give us 1.5 because it will remove the decimal part and just keep the whole number. This is what it does. Okay, you see it just 0.1, but this one, you see, this one, the division, this one, the result is 1.5, and for this one, the result is just like 1. And the reason is because when you use the floor division, this one, when you use the floor division, it just divide the two numbers and then remove the decimal point. It keeps just the whole number. Okay, and then right here we will move to the exponentiation one right here. This one, for example, let's say if we do like 3 exponent like 2, this one you can say to better explain it, you can say 3 ways to the power of 2. This one is better. When we say 3 ways to the power of 2, that's better. Let's say what result it will give. It will give 9. And let's point another one. Let's say if we say 9, okay, ways to the power of 2. Okay, so it should give us 81. That's the expected result, and it is correct. These are the basic like mathematics, the basic arithmetic you need to get started with like programming. And then you don't need to be an expert in math to become like a programmer, to start coding. No, you don't need that at all, to be honest with you. And this one, okay, the last one is the modulo operator. Okay, this one, what it does, the modulo operator we returns the remainder after the division of two numbers. Okay, for example, let's say if we print this one, and then we say 10 modulo 3. the modulo operator will return only the remainder after the division. Okay, let's see what it will give us. It gives 1, okay? Because after the division, when we divided like 10, when we say like 10 divided by 3, the remainder is 1, and then the modulo operator, this is what it does, okay? And now let's create like a quick example, okay? Let's try to let uh, comment this code, and we will create some exercise, a quick exercise. Let's say we say okay, number 1 equal like number like num, or we can say int. I'm sorry, int input. Okay, remember we have already done that in the previous video. If you don't know how to get the value from a user, you can just watch the previous videos and then you'll be able to go. We will not go over this in this video. Okay, and then we say number 2, and then we say number 1, and then we convert this one again, input. Okay, remember the input function will return like a string, and then we need to convert it to an integer. Okay, enter second number, and then when we do that, okay, and now what we can do some arithmetic, some operation, some mathematics with these two numbers that we have received. We can say print. Okay, let's say if we say sum of these two numbers, what would you say? Okay, sum, and then we might say, okay, num1, okay, plus num2, okay, and then we might say like the difference, like to do the subtraction, okay, the difference of these two numbers are like num1 minus num2, doesn't matter. And then we will also create another example. We can say like the product, okay, the product of these two numbers are like, we'll get them, okay, number 1 multiply by number 2, okay. And what else? Okay, let's use the modulo operator. We'll not use all of them. We can say the remainder equal, okay, we can say number 1 modulo, okay, modulo number 2. Okay, now let's get started. Remember what will be, okay, it asks us for the first number. We will put like, you can put whatever you want. I will put 4. It will be asking for the third number. Let's say I put like 3. Okay, you see the sum is 8. Number 1 plus number 2, the sum is 8. That is not possible. Like, okay, and the difference is, okay, the difference is, oh, I'm sorry, you see it is number 1 plus number 1. It should be number 1 plus number 2. Okay, I'm sorry, I was thinking I made a mistake where this one is coming from, and right here as well I made a mistake. This is a typo. That happens. Okay, that happens in programming, don't worry. Okay, it is asking for number 1 again. What is number 1? Is 4, and this one is 3. Okay, the sum is 7, the difference is 1, the product is 12, and the remainder is 1. Okay, I hope this video was useful, guys. If you need to learn more, just follow me so you will learn more. And then do not forget to, if you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching this video on Facebook, just follow us for more. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.